Yeah, I see me on the camera.
Yeah, man, you're good.
How you look?
Yeah, dog.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to your YouTube channel. You don't know it's a crazy boy Jamaica Wildlife there with Spearfishing Jamaica there around. That's the same way I gear up him thing and a bag of thing. So this morning the game plan is for us to do some spearfishing adventure. It's been a minute since I haven't posted. I apologize for that. Planning to get back on track as soon as possible. With the help of my bro here, I don't know. Trying to stay consistent. But watch what going on now. We're gonna try to find some fish this morning. You don't know. Go to one of our regular location them and see what can be done. The game plan is get some fish, try to do a cook up, whole vibe. You see me I say? Hope you like the video. Always remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. For all my loyal viewers them who still around, big up on yourself. The potential ones that are yet to come, big up on yourself. Same way. Big up everybody. You don't know, but right now we just me already geared up. Roger put on him thing them, so yeah, basically that's it. So see you guys, make a little walk around the location and now and then into the water, alright? Yeah man, peace. Yeah people, so I go on there my viewers. Whole heap of boat you can sip on the water and them thing there. Weather nice this morning. The man, water clear. Going out now still. Yeah man, you can see Zelda dive deep too, you know. Are you weight belt that? Are you weight oh your knife? Yeah. Mm. Up. This man actually is a shame. Alright guys, so right now we just come back out of the water and unfortunately it wasn't one of the best dives. But we managed to get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It was a terrible day for me. Missed most of my shots and I don't know, things just wasn't right today, but however the show must go on, so we'll get change off here now and move to the next location and do what we have to do, alright? Yeah man. Yeah, so right now, don't know, moving to the next location right now. I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking, alright? Alright guys, so we at the spot right now. You don't know, nice little beach. You don't know, guide out there, so. I don't know if a camera can pick him up still now, but him there in a distance, like him a look sea cat. Yeah man, and that's how we there. Nice little beach side, so we go get jiggy and now I'm busy and start do a thing. I don't know. Relax yourself a little bit and eat some fish and thing. So watch this now. Yep, look some fire stick. I don't know. Well, if a fire stick around that side still, so now I'm gonna take one at a time. Nice little piece here. It's well dry and a piece here. So I'll get the stick them and then kick it off. Yeah. Alright guys, right now I'm gonna bother workout because as you can see weather not on our side, so right now we just have to postpone it for now until another day, but the weather is coming and it's coming fast, so it is what it is. So we'll pick up another day, so stay tuned peeps. So right now we're back on the beach again. The weather isn't the best today, but rained on us yesterday, so we had to pause, and right now we're back. Yeah man, so we had to improvise a little bit, so we had to alright guys, so we had to improvise a little bit. I don't know how well the audio will be, but because it's pretty windy, so we had to get some fire coals to get the fire started because all the sticks are wet. So the stick them here we left yesterday, so wet and everything, so we'll bring some fire coal here and I'll get on the road. Yeah guys, so see me have one little setup here, so don't know how I stick them with like I said, so we just use some fire coal to start the fire first. Ratch up this a fine piece of turtle shell and fall in love with. I don't know how do you manage it. But anyways, just there do this and then get the fire started, and that will be it, you know? Come on. With a hard today. Roger, you good man? Yeah guys, so right now fire catch and everything, so we'll go scale the fish them now. At least Roger scale the fish them and then back to over here. Ask us how we catch the fire in the high wind. I don't know, but see it there? Fire chief. This man no want to scale no fish. Every time this man no want to scale no fish. Scale the fish, man.
It's not about proper knife, a plain knife, yeah, use a good thing.
No good thing you know if you use it. Because I don't run no joke with that the knife there. That we want, man, we want. Already have one planting roast, you know. This man never have planting virgin. Yeah guys, I see it there. Look a show on the road, just to see him. Yeah man, see Mango Lion right as a timing. Yeah. They don't look bad still, you know. So I eat it two of them, right? Never shoot a fish, so I'm not going to eat none. You shoot fish? You shoot fish?
You know, I eat my fish eyeball, make you last year.
Jaja.
Every time someone gas come back same way.
Who that there?
The
Same amount of fish when I shoot and you see them pop off. Yeah! How that a chef stick that there?
awesome.
Like a bone harrow stick there make.
Just raise a bread.
Grotto! Oh, a grotto that down there. Brother grotto, man you cha. Yeah, talk about it. See how me when I plate drop off then a virgin. Alright peeps, so right now fish now going too bad. don't know if how the lighting stay, but Roger do a thing. Sort out of the sort out and things, so we'll get into it pretty soon. I'll toast the brother now, and then that's that, alright? Toast 2 pieces of our grotto. Watch out, I say fire bad. And then bone already. Yes sir. See there, really nice serve. Don't know, you know. Watch out, look how far big old piece of plant one Raj cut give me. I never put your blood up on the job. Remember say bird them now. Alright peeps, so it is what it is I know. So I just eat now and then do what we are doing and leave out. Edit up after there and post it. I don't know. Yeah man. So I go on. Nice. Don't know. I already gone too far in our bridge, so I left tighter. Good man, peeps. Just go and hold up vibe in idea, guys, and live the life, you know? Yeah, man, when time I wrap up this and something, we talk back on a little bit, yeah? Yeah, man. Right now, everything come down to an end. We are cleaning up the place and now you don't know to leave out. Yes sir, don't know, a nice little fresh apple.
Yo, this man have about million apple on the tree just drop off and bird and eat. The man to take apple them. I'm gonna make juice or sitting here, man. And this morning me go up there.
Pick what? What? 8 of them I pick?
No, about dozen.
Dozen?
See amount of black apple on the tree. You go up there for
So I go up there a little more. Alright guys, so right now I don't know, so we'll pack up on a bag of things, so we're going to leave out now. So because it's so windy, don't know me, I close off the video and we're in the van and I go home. So you don't know. Stay blessed. Yeah guys, so right now come down to an end and it is what it is. It wasn't it wasn't the best dive and everything, but you don't know, in time me and my bro link up, we always make it happen. And we appreciate everything, and you don't know, we're grateful. So right now we are going to head on home, edit a video if you can get to see based on my slack off. But you don't know, try to get back at it and saying peace out, God bless and one love. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you remember to hit that subscription button if you haven't yet. Yeah man, share the video around, and until next time I'll see you in another one. Alright, yeah man, blessings.